Alright, and welcome back to Learning to Draw, lesson number 10, finally in double digits. Where we will be doing lesson 13 of You Can Draw in 30 Days. This will be very similar to the last lesson. We'll be doing an advanced house. With that, let's begin. So of course we start with our square, our foreshortened square, that we will make into a cube. So there, right about there, and then we're just going to shoot this down. That's a little crooked. That's better. That's okay. We don't really need that one anyway. There. And there. And we'll bring these two down. Just shoot them straight-ish down. And we'll want this one just a little bit longer. And over. Nope. Over, we gotta give it a little bit of an angle. And the same thing, that's a little too much of an angle. Okay, that's good. Ish. That's alright, we'll be doing some erasing. Okay, so now we're going to look for about the center point, which we'll say right about there, and we want to go straight up to about there. So I'm just going to go ahead and get a straight edge since I can't use the edge of my book. I could try to use the edge of my screen, but I've got this at an angle, so I'm likely to screw it up. And we're just going to try to go straight with that. Ish. And that's a little far off to the side. Let's try a little bit more. One more try. It's odd because my cursor is not exactly where the tip of the point of the pen is. Well, we'll call that close enough. And we want to go up at an angle. Up at an angle. Take this and we want to just shoot it straight back. Straight-ish back. So, boom. And then we will take this. We're going to bring it down here. Let's give it a little bit more of an angle. Well, let's go up. Yeah, that gives it a better angle. Go ahead and erase the line, some of the lines we don't need, so that we aren't going to be a little confused trying to go off of markers that aren't there. Okay, and then we are going to take this and we're just going to straight back. And we're going to do the same thing here. We want to follow what would be the angle and shoot it down. There we go, that's a lot better. Get rid of this extra. And then we'll do basically making another cube. But actually, oof. Nope. You know what, let's just go ahead and shoot this here. Shoot that there. Down. That is really bad. There we go, that's a lot better. Middle point's right about there. So we will take this and just do another straight up line so we can make another peak of the roof. That's straight enough. Then from this, we're going to actually bring this here. Nope. Shoot that down to there. Then we want to take this and just kind of shoot it across. Somewhat straightish. Good enough. Okay, so we can go ahead and erase all the lines we don't need. And try not to erase any of the lines we do need. Don't need that. And down. And across. So now that we got our house blocked out, we're going to need some doors and windows. So let's put a nice big window over here. Something that takes up most of it. There we go. Nice big window. Put a small one right here. Let's put a garage door over here. Nice big garage door. We want to go real close, taking up almost the whole thing. And put a little handle. And we need a way in. So we'll go about to the height of that. And we'll make us a nice door. We'll just put us a little knob right there. So from there, we can kind of see, since we're looking at it right here, that we'd be able to see right about there. And that it'd cut across and disappear there. Give it a little depth. Again, we wouldn't be able to see this side, so we're actually going to do it opposite side. So that would give us there. And let's go ahead and take this down. I got an idea. Take that down. Take this down. Let's move it that way. Move it that way. Yeah, there we go. Then we want to go from here, we'll go up. And we'll go out from here. And here. Down. We'll bring this all the way down across. We'll just bring that across there. Go ahead and erase this line. Oop, wrong pen. There we go. And now let's add some little dashes that get a little bit bigger as we go across. Give us a nice little road. And a couple of lines up here. To give us some shingling. Just across. Keep them kind of similar. We'll go ahead and add a big bush right there. Well, let's cover up this corner a little bit with some tufts of grass. Kind of break up the cement a little. Maybe a little bit out here, kind of overgrowing. And with that, we are going to do our shading. We'll have our light source over here again. So everything will be shaded this way. And we'll add our shingles. But with that, I will fast forward through that. If you feel like continuing to watch and following along, I hope you learned something. If not, and you just sat back and enjoyed it, I do hope you'll attempt to take this up. It's a learning process for me, and that's why I'm documenting it to keep myself accountable. I hope maybe you follow along too. So with that, I will fast forward through this if you wish to follow along. Otherwise, have a good day.